I don't hammer small change now. Na to hurry nail Garri for my chambers. Even the law no fit stop me go Uncle Benji's shop. As all the things where I won't take drink they sell for his shop. And I no wan lose guard. Make the money no loss as things don't cost. Na so my legacies Benz trek me reach. I holler Uncle Benji, may he bring Garri as I don't reach. I tell am say may he give me groundnut 4, sugar 3, big milk 2. Now how I won't take drink am so. Uncle Benji look me finish. Tell me say, why I no go buy rice or noodles wey go last me tomorrow? I tell am say, if I buy rice, who go give me stew? If I buy noodles, e no fit rise. If I buy beans, my gas go finish. I tell am say, I no dey look for food wey go last me tomorrow. I dey look for the one wey go do me tonight. Cause na person wey survive go chop food in a row. After all, na Garri bin dey save us.